See how like jiggly? I'm below.
Okay.
Okay. It's thick though because it's so cold. And I had this one for a while, so had it since like last. It's really nice, guys. But not enough is coming out. So how non-clear it got when I touched it. I see you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do that again. Like you guys saw it like up close and it was clear. See how foggy it is now. It's like way too sticky to like even poke. Like look, watch. It didn't stretch right, but I see you guys. Again. Super, super clear. Once again. Clear. I see you guys. Any of you guys wrote mustard. I'm gonna stretch it. It's thick, that's why it breaks. Here's this one. Here's its stretch. Oh! Oh. But yeah, here's Blue Ocean. And I want slime sticking to me. I just play with this one because it don't stick or anything. I mean, why not let blue? Ready? Wait, I'm gonna do that satisfying thing where they can see your finger. Oh, did you guys do it? Please, please. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. Oh, wow. I'm gonna move it over. Wow. Oh my god.
I want to turn that down.
Oh my god. So clear. I don't know why I'm so happy just to touch a clear slime, but I never touched one before. Wait, I'm gonna split the